Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison of Bitwarden and Blackbox. Bitwarden versus Blackbox. Ultimate password showdown. Bitwarden or Blackbox. Which password tool actually keeps you safe? This is the second battle to compare security, features and ease of use. It is perfect for security nerds and beginners. Are you using password 123 in 2024? Well, Bitwarden and Blackbox promise to save you. But which one is the real security hero? Let's hack this debate in 60 seconds. When it comes to what they are best for, Bitwarden is best for everyday users, while Blackbox is best for developers. So the winner, it depends on which you belong to. Let's go to security. Bitwarden uses open source, while Blackbox is code focused. So I repeat that Bitwarden uses open source, while Blackbox is code focused. So the winner is a tie. When it comes to price, Bitwarden is free forever, while Blackbox has a free tier, but it also has paid plan. So the winner, Bitwarden, free forever. Let's go to autofill. Bitwarden works anywhere, while Blackbox for browser only. So the winner, Bitwarden. When it comes to development tools, Bitwarden has basic development tools, while Blackbox uses code snippets. So the winner, Blackbox. When it comes to mobile app, Bitwarden is excellent, while Blackbox is limited. So the winner, Bitwarden. You see, Bitwarden equals to password king for most people, but Blackbox is a coder's secret weapon. So do you want simplicity? Choose Bitwarden. Do you need development tools? Choose Blackbox. So, Team Bitwarden or Team Blackbox? Comment below which you belong to. Smash like if you saved your digital life and subscribe for more 1-minute tech battles. Do not forget to comment on which one saved you from password chaos. See you in the next video.